Okay. Whoa. Wait, what is this? Huh. I can apparently split up the view, have more than one screen. Interesting. I can work on two screens at the same time. Okay. Hey, Soma. I will probably just start off with doing some playtesting. What is that? Oh, okay. Thank you. All right. So let's playtest a little bit. How are you doing, Soma? All right. So let's start going off towards the left, since I was going off towards the right before. See if I can break anything in here. Oops. I didn't even realize that you use the ocarina to get down here just to have to use it again. That's actually interesting. Kind of I guess would kind of hint that you would need it, I guess. I don't know, it just feels appropriate. Let's see. So let's go all the way over here, grab this key. Oh, well, that should probably be... I'm on B1, so I'm probably like right here, right? There we are. Oh. I forgot I have it set to automatically refresh. I might do the testing like I used to do, which is... Oh, shoot. I can't control anything. There we go. Oh, it saves the cursor position. That's nice. Quest, this. Interesting. Why is there no music? Huh. What the heck? X off. What is this X off? And why is there no music at all? Okay, this is interesting. Oh, what screen is it? It's the 43. It's weird that there's no music. Kind of concerned now. Of course, I'm not gonna know if there's music here. Weird. All right. Now I can actually test it. How you doing, Soma? Kind of do this. No, let's do this somewhat different. Well, no, because I know that all this does is enable the map. It just enables the map. Heck. There we go. So let's see, let's grab that. Grab the key. And this is just hitting the switch for... When it did make a sound. Okay. It's kind of funny how there's actually no point for this to be pushable. Interesting. I guess there kind of is. Well, no, there isn't. Weird. I might make that not pushable. Ah. Sounds cool. There's no sound to him falling. Should make that hold upable. I shouldn't reset this. Whoops. Oh, well, there's a diagonal hook shot. It's still in here, but it's not really usable. Okay. I want to actually do this one first. Up here. Oh. Yeah. Unfortunately, it doesn't work. I wish it did. Whoops. Went the wrong way. I guess it's... Oh, wait. How... This was a way that you're supposed to go. Apparently not. Is it this way? Kinda forgot what the route is myself. Ah, see? Fixed. Awesome. So now I can take the shortcut out. Well... if I know the way out, that is. Yeah, really painful if you don't pay attention. Should be that. That would be interesting. Does it still pull you in? Wait. Does it still pull you to stuff? What do you mean pull you to stuff? I mean the pits kind of like pull you in. Whoops. Apparently I have a sound effects rigged on that. It did that even. So I shot it normally, but then hit a diagonal. Wow. Huh. It does still pull me to stuff, but the collision is what's really jank about it. Whoops. Yeah, it's the collision that makes it not great. God dang it. No pits here yet. Alright. Let's go down. Three-quarters of a heart. Interesting. Oh, what was fixed after you left? Technically nothing related to anything here. These push blocks, I updated them now to push generic instead of what they were, which was like how these have a none. They're type none, but have a flag that tells them what they can do. I changed it to be, and I think I did it with up arrow. Yeah. Where now it's just better. It's just generally better with how it's functioning now to be less break prone, I guess. Though actually I do need to fall here because I need to hit this now. Apparently that's still messed up. I don't understand. Oh, I thought I fixed this. Or it would just be this. Oh no. Okay, I see. Yeah. Yeah, wrong C set. Oops. There. So now I can do C set 2 and then set you to this. There. That'll fix the issue. Apparently this room isn't dark. There we go. Yeah, I guess I'll leave this in as like a hidden feature. I'm pretty sure you can modify it. I thought there was something here that said whether it was diagonal or not. I don't know. I guess I'll need to be careful that doesn't break anything. Not here. Oh, was there an allow diagonal? Ah. Interesting. I believe it's set to this guy. Huh. I mean, I'll leave it. If it comes out that it can break something, then I'll modify it. But I don't have any problems keeping it that way. Okay. Pretty simple puzzle, especially if you've played Four Swords Adventures. Did that do it? Yeah, it did it. You'll endeavor the sequence break. I really do like this puzzle. Or like this obstacle. Thought it was cool in Four Swords. I eventually do plan on doing what happened in Four Swords where they had like multiple screens, adjacent screens be like that. And you gotta navigate through. I mean, obviously you can just like brute force, but you're gonna take a lot of damage. So, yeah. All right. So interestingly, this whole path was just a bunch of unlocking. I don't think I actually. I think I got a key. But no, actually, I think I got keys the other way. So there really isn't anything I could do over here anymore. Part of me kind of wants part of me wants to kind of just have the map, just so that I can see. Well, no, because that's not true to reality. I wouldn't normally have the map here. I think that's everything. Yeah. So I do have key. So the whole boss key thing, whoops. I can't even get to the boss key yet. I need to go down that staircase. Because I don't think going up here actually does anything. Whoops. God dang it. Actually does anything in that way. Hero Dreams has someone puts on the way. Oh, okay. I don't remember. It's been such a long time since I did Hero Dreams. Yee. Alright. Yeah, I do plan on these lanterns being all over the place, which will be cool. Oh, there is a problem going on here. Is this copy paste error? Interesting. Screens. Oh. So why did... Ugh, really? God dang it. It's so annoying. It's up and down as though the ground is opening up. Oh, interesting. Why is that the case? ID 1, flag 99. Oh, they have to be separate IDs. Whoops. Yeah, it's so nice. It saves me a lot of button presses. Nice, okay. Fixed. Alright, well, regardless, I hit that. Despite the fact that it was already hit. Honestly, it probably would be a shortcut to take the pit. Yeah, it might be faster, actually. So I've used one key. I've used 2 keys. Now what if I were to take this way? I could have hookshot it from over here. Eh. This is the road to the boss key, so I should actually be able to grab it. I think. I think that's only one lock block between me and the boss key right now. Oh, interesting. No, okay. Also, the staircase is incorrect. There's a couple things wrong with the staircase. For one, it's the wrong C set. And 2, it would need to be... Shoot. That's my old staircase. There. Put all my staircases here. Whoops. It would need to be here. Oh wait, that's a problem. Huh. Because it's right there. Hmm. 4 blocks, 4 keys? Yeah. I mean, couldn't I technically just push everything down 1, right? Yeah, this is actually an easy fix. I just have to push it down 1. Like, I could do that. Maybe a little weird with this back here, but it's an easy fix. Alright, so there's one more key somewhere that I can grab. And I don't remember where we added it, so this will be a fun adventure. At least this dungeon doesn't require a lot of, like, backtracking to the point where, like, stuff that's essentially unmapped, I can kind of just disregard. So let's go here. I just can't go this way yet. So I can go down. Okay. Perfect. Still shows that as undone. Okay. So this is still happening. I don't know why. Oh, wait. I think I'm using this improperly. Yeah, I'm using this incorrectly. Oh no, it's trigger screen secrets. It's set to 1. I shouldn't have to do that. Interesting. What the heck? I mean, it has to be because of the combo I'm using. Okay, well, that just straight up did nothing. I don't understand. I don't know why it is not working. Like, I haven't set the trigger secret, so I don't know why it's doing this. That's very confusing. I already grabbed the map. Well, hang on. I don't actually want to go that way. Second thought. I want to go this way. Oh, that's right. The other key was here. There we go. And then I could just go around and grab it. There we go. Alright. Part of me almost wants to make it so that you can go down there. Because then it's a shorter way out. Nice little convenient shortcut. Granted, now that I'm here, I can't get back. So then you can't get back. Because, yeah, now it's a little obnoxious that I need to... Like, I have to go this way now. Oops. God dang it. Okay. I feel like it got faster there. Yeah, this is obnoxious. You shouldn't have to do this again. As a weapon, this is actually really cool. I'll have to balance the cost of the lens. So boss key you get to by falling here. Here. Fair enough. I don't know. I might eventually try to think of something, but it's kind of just a nicety. Wouldn't necessarily say it's required. Alright. That's so jank. Oh, it didn't reflect that change. Boss key. I mean, I basically seen everything, right? Yeah, saw everything here. Wall Masters and Key Room. Huh, yeah. There are going to be hand enemies here, so yeah. So I have the boss key. Ooh, that looks cool. I want to make that symmetrical. God dang it. Alright, I don't know if I forgot anything. Huh. That looked a little weird. Oh. That easy. Alright, so now we have the Dispelled Cane. Very cheap. I'll probably change the sprites for it, which, to be honest, I think I could do that fairly quickly. I guess I don't have Sprite. Oh wait, shoot. No. That one. Shoot. Why is it not under Cane? I guess it would be, it's not Dispelled Cane. Well, whatever. Cosmetics. You know, honestly, I don't even care. That's a cosmetic thing. So I have the cane. Oh. I have you warp out. Technically, it should be Zap Effect. Go floor one. You know, let's also have that go there. It'll be very interesting that it doesn't warp you out. So now the idea is, I have this cane. Where do I go with it? I'm actually blanking. How did I have it set to where you... How you get there? Because, like, I'm on floor 1. Wait. Did I ever actually do that? Also, why am I completely blanking on how I fall down there? Because, like, I'm on the first floor and there's no way to fall down there. Hang on, did I completely blank on actually being able to go down there? Like, this is the first floor. That's how you would do it. I think I did. Where will the hint be to activate the statues? I wasn't really... It's a natural gameplay hint. I think I blanked here. I think I intended for there to be something here. Where do I have hookshot spots? Yeah, I think that's how I intended it. Because I'm literally on the top floor. If I can't get into the top floor, then I can't get anywhere. So then the question is... Well, okay. Weird, I could have sworn I did this. Why I'm so confused right now. Oh, look at that. I didn't actually trigger this. Why am I completely failing this? Because it's supposed to trigger secrets. Man, it's Windows is so slow specifically for searching for that. Why is that so small? Oh, interesting. Set 1 to trigger screen secrets. Oh. How is this ever working? I don't know if I actually need both of these lines. Pretty sure that's how you do it. Yeah, see, there's a bunch of other... Okay, well, I actually remember that. So there's a problem here, though. I can't compile my code because of a bug in the engine. This is an engine bug, so we won't actually be able to see if that works. However, it does. The one problem is... Oh, it's actually staying correct. Okay, maybe it's not going to be a problem. My linter in VS Code was doing weird stuff. Like the linter was breaking my logic basically. On the contrary, it feels to me that many players would just leave with the first cane. I'm also weird like that. I mean, to that point, this is something for you to be very observant about or like curious about. Because the idea is you would have seen this many screens at best, and you would have not seen any of the rest of it. So it would be the players that would be like, huh, what am I missing, that would find this. So, I mean, I'm not really concerned about that, because this is a very much hidden thing. Okay, so now the idea is, let's find the secrets. Nice. Alright, well, just because I don't have pits set up, save myself some effort. There's two. Hello. Oh, I got a message on Twitch, and it's a spam message. Thank you. Yeah, so I mean, yeah, it's not going to be obvious, but I'm fine with that. Wait, how much? Why is that using so much? I don't know what that timer is. But also, why is it not doing anything? I mean, there's no pits. I think this was an accident. It has to be, because it doesn't link to anything. Oh, it's probably a magic container issue. Yeah, well, it says I have 7, but something's not right. It certainly seems like I have less than I should. 40. Yeah, that's probably not what you'd have here, because I think I start you with 20, and then I think each container is 10, so you probably have like 50. I think it. Why does that say 15? Is it 15? Maybe it is 15. Oh, it is 15. So that would mean you start at 40. And then if you have 2, yeah, then you have like 70. Yeah, and I think in terms of my custom counters, I think you would have like 3 at this point, maybe 2. Yeah, 255 would be max. I mean... Oh. Wait, really? Well, yeah, technically that's max, actually. However, what actually affects the length of the health of the magic bar is based on the counter that you have here. This is what determines that length. It's like if I had this be 1, That solely is just the graphic. It doesn't actually affect the quantity. So you'll see that actually goes down kind of slowly there. This is actually interesting to play with. So like if I gave myself 1,000, for instance. Yeah, see. And then if I were to say give, oh, that's cool. All 7, then it extends the length of it. I feel like it has something to do with that value. It doesn't say what this timer is. Oh. Ah. Okay. Okay, that's not what I wanted. Let's say I have 70. I mean, obviously still not a lot of magic. So then let's do 5. Ah, interesting. I guess that makes sense. Because it might be like every frame it uses that much magic. So if it's 1, that's every single frame it's using 1 magic. So that would mean if I have 60 magic, it would be in 1 second I'd be out of magic. So I think like 3 maybe, every 3 frames. Then it's not as ridiculous. Alright, let's quit that. Alright, so yeah, these aren't actually anything. Well, right now I have practically infinite magic, so... Pillars, pillars, pillars. I was gonna say, I was pretty sure there was some here. So I know where this is. It's basically just left off the start. Is there anything here? No, okay. So it's just these up here. Oh, that's interesting. So that's a thing. Alright. And then of course there's actually just going straight up here to the boss. Which ideally the player wouldn't do. Yeah, because there's still that. How was I having you get to the bottom right corner? Interesting. Okay. Oh no, it was the far right corner. Ah. Which was that one. Okay, okay. So there's a weird issue here. Two, 3, 4. X estate 1, 1. Oh. Interesting. Huh. Okay, exit state 2. That's the problem. That needs to be F5. I think it's only used one place. Yeah. I think that fixes it. I was wondering why that was happening. Oh, whoops. All right, now it works. Okay, I guess I didn't implement that. All right. Well, so you go down here, kill the bat, and you're supposed to get warped out, or rather, you're supposed to have warps. Didn't actually set this. Enemy secret. Oh, I did not actually place flags. Oh, I never actually placed flags. Let's actually put them in the corners. There we go. Wow, I never actually implemented any of this. Where do I want it to take you out? Honestly, probably... Oh, I almost guessed it right. Huh. There we go. So you could do that without fighting Dead Hand, but that's the idea. Well... I mean, yeah, I think that's fine. I don't know why it does this. Wipes away both of my items. Cause then... way to Dead Hand, I would need to go through here. Well, apparently I didn't implement that. There we go. Now we're down here now. And then just a ton of pots. For no reason, basically. So now I can go up here. Fight the Dead Hand. Since it's one, but that's fine. Yeah, I mean, like you were saying, I mean... It's completely optional, so it's okay if it's really hard, right? So I still don't know. I can't really fix. Not that I don't know. I can't fix that one thing. I mean, I'd say we're probably good to proceed on. You know, like, I don't know if it can be broken. It took like 40 minutes, 40 some minutes without any enemies. So it's not like super complicated, but yeah. And it'll be interesting if you happen to not choose to get to dead hand before the actual boss appear. You have to fight them both at the same time, which makes it more challenging. But then if you are, you know, observant and whatnot, because I'm thinking what I might do is I might set the compass. So there was two ways I could go about it. I could either have it set to every floor has a compass, and they all point to the very top, or have the first 3 floors not have a compass and B3 have it there. I'm not really sure which way I would prefer to go. I'm almost kind of leaning on no compass. So then only the bottommost one actually has it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think we're good here. So then, I guess given that, that resolves everything here. Now, this would be complicated, but the idea is when you do this, there's a number of things that occur based on the result of this dungeon. Like, you beat the boss's first half, but not the second half. And then if you beat the second half, it has a different effect later on in the game. I don't think that's something to worry about right now. Okay. Alright. Because then the thing is, this is where things get a little complicated, because now the sandstorm is going to end here. In the village. Just in the village. And essentially, I want many of these houses that have like warp points but are closed to become open. Yes, I would still kind of consider this a bare bones thing. Camera. Huh. I thought where's the door I made? There's the door I made. I made it so that I could do like this. But then put a door on layer 1, and that's what prevents you from walking in. So then I could easily just set, yeah. Although to be honest, you know, I say that there's a lot of fancy stuff going on. I don't think it's really that fancy. Like, what's to prevent me from just doing normal secrets? I don't think there's anything preventing me from just doing normal secrets. Like secret, carryover. I think when I originally placed these houses, I didn't make this like custom door at that time. Yeah, honestly, I think I could just do this right now. I don't think it's all that complicated. So that's B, C. Yeah, really. I think this is actually fairly simple. And the fact that I have the closed door be on layer 1 means it's just a super simple thing to fix. Shop is A. Oops. Yeah, hang on. I think this is actually stupid simple. Yeah, I wasn't originally sure if the carryover would be all I'd want. But I think so. So basically all I would do is just get like 16, just go boop. 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 Boop boop. And just to be clear, it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screens. I guess 8 screens technically. Okay. I guess I'm a little surprised it is that simple. I thought this was going to be more complicated. Well, this room will be more complicated in that 16 and 17. And then I need to do... This would be B. So that becomes that. That becomes that. We already know about that. Those become that. And those become that. Okay. So this will take a little bit of work in the sense that, killing, and you have to completely finish the well events, I think, right? What do I want to actually, quote unquote, finish this? Or like, solve Ari's problem? Because I think the idea is if you fight the first form here, you still put the beast into slumber and eventually escapes. But it still, like, weakens him, so yeah, okay. So he can't, plague the village. So this is already triggering secrets. So I just simply do... I need to know what screens I'm dealing with. Let's go top left. So let's go here. So at 952. Interesting. I never realized that this don't reset's not actually relevant to anything I do, so I never even need to touch these. I feel like there's some scenarios where I wouldn't want to set that, but I don't know. So screen state carryover OX34. That's incorrect. Right? Yeah, because it's OX52. So it's actually OX52. There we go. So then I just need to play a game of leapfrog, sort of, because now this does 9 OX53. OX54, right? Technically, yeah. OX. I don't actually know what room that is. OX62. Ballad made heavy use. Yeah. Yep. The only real dangers with screen state carryover is now none of these screens can have secrets, which in reality isn't a huge deal because obviously use scripts for whatever I would do that for, which is simple enough. But for something simple like this probably is fine. Not like it would be super hard to revert to OX63. That was a great time for an autosave. OX64. I'm excited for this. This is like the first time that you do something that actually has a lasting effect. So, I'm looking forward to this. What I'm also excited for is that these houses here, I made years ago. Oddly enough. It's one of the things I spent a lot of time on way back that I just, you know, didn't need to. Actually, you don't carry over. You're done. Like, there's dialogue here, going to be seen here that I haven't written in a very long time. Okay. So, all that's left now is go to layer 6, right? Because that's where all my sand is. And just erase the sand from the village. So take it away from here. Alright, so let's give a little test here. Don't need this anymore. Yeah, this is like the first time something actually huge happens. What will be the official Aria theme? Don't know. Huh. Well now. You know what that means. We gotta do some fancy stuff. Not that it's really all that fancy. Like I said, I can't do secrets now. So this should be as simple as removing this. Combo change to 1. Weapons, L weapons, super bomb boom, right? That just is what it is. Or bomb boom. No, that's fine. States, X state 1. I think that's it. Just a combo change. And this combo change, well, shoot. Wait, is this just random? Okay, well, this could be deleted. Because I never used that. Locations. Literally the one location, and none of these are... Let me just make sure. Perfect. Hang on. Let's put you here, you here. That's fine. You get deleted. You get deleted. Clean up some combos here. This should be A. Stairs A. Okay, now I just simply make this a blank combo. Select my transparent combo. Weird, you didn't look jank. That's a little surprising. Oh, it wouldn't look jank. Number of amazing remixes of Gerudo Valley. Not a bad choice. Alright. Oh, shoot. I gotta give myself the bombs. Okay, great. Oops. Well, all right, there's a number of problems with what just happened here. First of all, there's gotta be a secret sound. I keep forgetting where it is. The sound effect. Here we go. 7. Secret. And then also, oh, I gotta lose that muscle memory because it resets itself. So I wanted to check. Also, it's great how the sound effects go away. So the only problem here is that the tink tink isn't there. Hmm. Honestly, I don't know how to do that. If I went to blast, erase the sign. I mean, I could do that, but I'm okay with it not doing that. Oh, they made that smaller now. I don't know how to do this. I wanted to make the metal sound. Only the effects from the weapon effects section will occur. Toggle darkness. Sword Jinx. Huh. Because the thought I had was I could put bomb super. But the problem is I think that's still going to set secrets now. I just don't like how it's inconsistent is the problem. I'll just make a note of that. There. All right. So that works. God dang it. I'm just going to make sure nothing is weird. Okay. Shield Obeus. Take that. Let's go. Alright. Let's see. That should have done the ticket. Technically, this should also have the wind sound. Just a small piece of detail. 137. Really, you chose now to do that? Thank you. There we go. Okay, well, that was lovely. Let's see, did that do it? Triggering secrets that way is not a permanent secret thing. Set to a boss flag? Set what to a boss flag? Where the boss room is? That wouldn't really do anything for me here. Can I have my cane, please? Alright, let's eat. Alright, well. Well, technically... No. I think this basically has to be this, because I would want that sound to go away. Well, no. It could still have the sound without actually... Because it'd be windy, but the actual sand... Well, no. The wind's part of it. I'd have to remove that. Man. I don't know if I necessarily need to worry about that. Also, I'm going to step away for a second. I'll be right back. I'm sorry. Okay. I am back. So yeah, my debate was... That's a possible... No, does killing the boss cause the event? Oh, what event? It causes carryovers? Like carryovers in general? Because that's just simply the screen state when secrets are triggered or item or special item, blah, 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 blah. This carries over. So now there's no sandstorm. So the problem is now my footprints are inaccurate. And the thing is, I would actually need a script for this to make the music start playing. Oh shoot. Yeah. That'd require music. Well, you know what? While we're here, we have houses to look at. Why is it dead silent? Why is it actually quiet here? It shouldn't be quiet. NEI residence. Why is that not working? Huh. I don't know why it's not working. That one had a trigger enemy which would change the states. Yeah, I certainly don't need anything like that. I don't know why there's no music. Hmm. I don't know why there's no music. Huh, interesting. Don't know why it's dead silent. Oh god. Well, so interesting. So the dialogue I originally had written for these guys, I wrote way before I refactored all my strings. So none of this is correct. I don't think the original strings are here anymore. Yeah, okay. None of these strings are here anymore. I think I just simply moved them and I didn't update the FFCs. Interesting. Honestly, I'm not too concerned about implementing all this. This is the interesting bit. This is RE library. The big fabled library. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of lore dumps in here. Oh god. That's fine. There's just nothing here. I don't even remember what all these houses were. Ah. Oh god. I think I hit a rupee down here. Yeah, big old rupee. Yeah, that was a little jank. Then over here I had a script handling this. You have two sets. Ooh, horizontal beds. Forgot I did that. Alright. Whoa. That's in front. Okay. Whoa. That was just an instant transition. Alright, well. Man, none of these strings are correct anymore. Alright, well. So this was all completely optional. I'm not too concerned about dealing with this. I'll have a script that eventually sets like the footprints. See how the footprints are still vanishing right away? It's assuming that it's still a sandstorm. I'll have to obviously change that to a slower speed since there's nothing going on. There's a couple things, so I'll need to do that. I'll even make a note here. Upon defeating the first phase of the boss in remove win its effects. increase, I guess decrease rate of footprint degradation. What else is there? Oh, remove. Well, I don't need to make a note to do this. I could just do it. It's gonna suck. It's. I will make a note because I don't want to do it right now. Shift end. Remove sand blowing in house doorways. Footprints. Nice. Okay. So made a note of that. And what's nice is I could go to browse notes and just see like everything here. Anyway, so that's done. We could just simply move on to, okay, let's go somewhere that has music because this is just dead silent. What the heck? I'm confused. I have another thing that's not playing music. What in the heck is going on? Why is there no music? Um. Why isn't it playing? This is what I was worried about. You can't find it. Well, considering as how I never changed any of this. Um. Why am I blind? I'm looking for. Okay, where actually is it? M. It's right there. Freaking didn't do it. So why can't I find it? And must be saved in the same folder as a quest. Where do you think my quest is? Oh, it launches File Explorer. And it doesn't even launch in the right place. Right here. Quest plus music. That. So explain how the music's not found. Yeah, switching builds broke it. Okay, well, this is a bug report, and this is precisely why I was done upgrading versions, because now things that are out of my control broke. I mean, I don't think closing and reopening it will do it. Because again, this wasn't an issue in a previous build. This is new. Oh, shoot. Don't go down so far. Right here. Like, the thing is, it's not letting me select anything. It doesn't even matter what the song is. And it's saying it needs to be in the same directory, but it is in the same directory. So I honestly don't know. And now it makes me wonder if I go anywhere. So like here, it should also work. See, this is why I'm done updating my builds. Yeah, it's busted. This is why I'm done updating builds when I go back to development, because now I can't load music now. And the problem is I can't actually even go back to a previous version now. Because if I try to load an earlier build, which I wouldn't really want to anyway. Oh, shoot. Not that. If I go to a previous build, like the build I was using, I may have issues loading. Yeah, I actually can't go to a previous build now. I am now committed to this. What I'm confused about is how is this a bug? Because like this is such a basic thing in my eyes. Like, how has no one else encountered this? Like this is literally just enhanced music being outright broken. Like that's kind of a big break. Kind of a big break. So that's a lot of untitled. Anyway, I guess in the meantime, let's just load up some music just to have some music, which I just realized you guys can't even hear it right now. Oh, you can hear it? Interesting. I'm surprised you can. Anyway, that's fine. So the idea is now you can move on to the next thing. Now, one thing I was actually thinking about offline, it's about like the last day, is as of right now, you still can't access the northern part of the island. Like, and what I mean by that is, like, yeah, you can be here, but you can't get back into this area. And the only thing that's preventing that is Magic Ocarina, which Zelda gives you. I would need to find the map. Here, I know a quick way to find the map. Let's just go to a tile warp. There we go. Okay. So Zelda here, she does a lot of stuff. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on here. Trigger from item, Goddess Faithful, Zelda scenes. So, oops. Stop with the source control. Zelda scenes. So this is a bit complex because a lot of stuff goes on here. But essentially you have multiple different scenarios that occur. If you have one Triforce of Wisdom Shard and less than 2 Power. Basically, I think it's just the intro dialogue. So you haven't yet beaten... Well, let's see. You would have had to have beaten level 4. Yes. So you beat level 4 and not level 5. Specifically, that's the scenario that takes you into this function here. Not too complicated. But now let's say you beat level 5, which is what she ultimately tells you to do. Then you come back and she gives you Giant Bombs dialogue. So that's the whole thing of, hey, we need to proceed on with doing stuff against the Necromancer. Go get Giant Bombs. Which is what I just did, going to Ori Village to get Giant Bombs. And then doing the well. That's optional, but... whatever. Bomb data. Okay. Oh! So I do have it set that she gives you the ocarina. So that would mean... oh, interesting. It looks like I made this decision then. So that would mean... okay, I can't find the room. That would mean simply doing... this. So talking to this guy triggers secrets. Come back after some time. God dang it, I need to actually talk to Zelda. So I go here. Actually, what's she gonna say right now? Oh my god, I actually accounted for if you... so, okay, this is dialogue the player will realistically never see. You would only get that? I can't believe I actually did that. Because you would only get that if you somehow got in here. See, there's a barrier here. That's if you somehow got in here without doing what you need to do. Interesting. Okay. Anyway, obviously we can cheat the system and just give myself... a Triforce of Power, Triforce of Wisdom. So I could just do something like that. See, now she gives you the intro dialogue that you would get when you actually do what you should do. So she's basically just saying, hey, I know who you are, you do good stuff, help us out. So secrets are triggered. So this is telling me to go to the swamp. But according to here, now I don't remember what Triforce shot I give you at level 5. According to this, it's Triforce of Power. So quite simply, I should be able to do... so I actually made the script very easy to just like debug and test by just making it be based on variables. So it's in a while loop. So that means me changing this right here will have... will live change her behavior. See, now it says you resolve the issue in Palace. So basically, in her eyes, I just beat level 5 right now. So now we're talking about bombs. So he's gonna so this guy's gonna trigger the bomb guy in his house to actually sell me bombs. So that's that. So he just triggered that. So now I can actually go buy bombs. And then you are technically supposed to talk to this guy, but... so it's actually kind of misleading because the secret sound that this guy played actually did something. The secret sound this guy played didn't actually do anything. It was... I don't think so, at least. I think it literally just, like, tells you, ooh, something happened. So let's go to Bomb Dude. I also see no music's playing whatsoever. That's broken. So we're just going to run over here. We're going to go grab our BAMs. That's right here. So now this guy's triggered and will actually sell me bombs. Hey, I figured out the proper concoction for the perfect super bomb. Yee. I gotta go up here. Hey, obviously I didn't need to do that because I have all the bombs, but you know. Now I have bombs. So now I should be able to go back to Zelda. I should be able to have 6, right? That actually wasn't the right place for it to take me, but sure, why not? So talking to the bomb guy should have triggered secrets or something. So now I see you got those special bombs. So we're officially on new content now, like treading new territory. Carulum and Darrider. So Carulum, that's actually wrong. It's not Carulum and Dorado. It would be the archipelago. I don't think it's... Oh, Carulum is the archipelago. Huh. I thought Carulum was the big mountain. The lava mountain. I have something that can help you greatly now that you have some major traveling to do. Take this. It's a magical ocarina. It'll allow you to travel great distances quickly. So now is when you get the actual magic ocarina. Wait, she meets you for the first time, you're asking? Yeah. Was the Zelda in the intro her twin? Nope, that is Zelda. I will let you figure out what happened for yourself. So now I need to learn something really important in quest development. How does one do whistle? Like, how do I set... I don't actually know how this works. Yeah, how does one do this? Alright, well great. I guess I didn't configure this to actually do anything. See, level 1 ocarina. This is off. I don't know how this actually works. Like... I'm gonna pull up another quest because I don't actually know how to work the ocarina. Just open this. Easy enough. Well, this was not enlightening. So what was... Is there a flag here? What's flag 7? That's very... Huh. So... It's in quest rules? Well, it shouldn't be in quest rules to make the ocarina work. Like, generally, the whirlwinds. Oh! I actually think I know where it is. Alright, well, I don't know why it's just outright doing nothing. But I believe it's actually in... It's in warp rings. Out. Huh. Warp 0 rings. Oh, hang on. I wonder if this needs to be 0 now. I don't know why there's no hint, but I wonder if this number correlates with... Oh, no. I don't know why this is 3. Let's put this at 1. But warp ring... Say warp ring 1. And then now let's go to warp rings. And then... I don't know. Let's just make it... Sure. Well, no. Let's go... Well, where would it be? It's in... Verde Village. Oh, God. I don't know. Let's say there. Also, I like how I hit go and it's not going. Oh, it did go. Oh, that was close. I think it ended up being this one 3A, right? There. So let's see what happens. Why is it just straight up not working? Interesting. Oh, so let's go back to 20. Allow whistle whirlwinds. Yeah, I don't know what this is. Also, I like how there's weapon damage. I don't know why this was 3. Doesn't help that all these hints are disabled. I don't know what whirlwind direction is. Also, having this on doesn't really make sense. I'll leave it though. Alright, well anyway, another thing that is completely busted. Alright. Well, that is irritating. I doubt this is busted. Well, I don't know. If it's not busted, then I don't know what's wrong with it. Anyway, that's kind of a big deal. The fact that you have the ocarina at this point, because it gives you a way to get back up here. So basically, any secrets or whatnot that required you to have, geez, anything after level 3. So what would that be? You'd have the hook shot, you'd have the lens. Actually, you don't really have that much else. You have an upgraded armor, hook shot and lens, and giant bombs. So in reality, not that much changes. So I think I'm still good for development right now to just basically develop new territory. Like, this is Karuim Archipelago, and then down here you have Mount Dorado. There is also this dungeon here, which I kind of want it to be, I don't know, probably a main dungeon, honestly. Maybe. There's kind of a big crossroads here. I think currently the way I have this screen laid out hides layer 2. Because all you need is the raft. Oh, no, that's right. The fact that you can get back to Northeast Interior is huge because now you have the raft. Which means this is when you can head back to Isle of Heron. Which again is pretty big because that also means like you arrive back here, now you can do stuff here. Because you have the hook shot. Although this does actually make me wonder, can you do this with the short shot? Oh, you can't. Okay, good. You need the big hook shot. Interesting. I also forgot I changed these enemies. Yeah, so this is actually a big moment in the quest. Getting giant bombs does so much for you. But anyway, so do I want this to be like level 6? Because I was envisioning level 6 being either in Mount Dorado or in the archipelago. Because then what that means, this can just be a straight up water dungeon situation. I think I might do that. Just simplify this. How do you get across this? Oh, okay, there we go. I actually like the idea of this just being a straight up thing. There's still the castle too. True, yeah. Well, actually, no, because I have the castle blocked off. You actually need the flippers to truly... This is another could-be dungeon. I did change the castle. It's blocked off. You can't get up here yet. It's all... Oh, wait, I just realized I have these bars here. When I use this. I just made this fairly recently. I don't know why I put them there. Put it there. The castle is not accessible. So let's see. We have level 6. So between Dorado, Harulam, and this little thing here, 6, 7, 8. Levels 6, 7, and 8. I guess it becomes a question now of like where would be next? Because I'm thinking 6 and 7. The Fort Northeast Interior. No, because that's also flippers. This fort's also a flippers thing. Also, technically, this should probably be this. Yeah, there we go. I like that. It's better than the bars I had there. So yeah, that's also not accessible yet. So I'm kind of thinking this will probably be flippers. This will be like the water dungeon. Well, no. I think what I might do is do Dorado. And then, because I think Harulam would be a better place to have the dungeon that has the flippers. Because it's an archipelago. There's going to be a lot of water, a lot of islands. But I don't want you to go there yet. I was originally going to make this like open-ended. Like you could choose whether to do 6, 7, and 8 in any order you want. But the problem with that is that it complicates things then. How would I handle that? Like, for instance, let's say level 7, not 6 or 8, but level 7, you get the flippers. I mean, that would kind of loosely determine what order you could do if level 6 or 8 require the flippers. Or I can make it simple and just require whatever you get out of 6 for 7 and just do like a traditional style, which is kind of what I want with this quest. I mean, it would be open-ended in terms of like you can go up here, but then you can't actually access the dungeon. Or maybe even you can, but you can't make full progress because you're missing an item. I don't know. I also don't generally like that approach, because then that's a situation where the player can invest a lot of time in a dungeon only to find out there's an item I'm missing. I typically find I've played a lot of quests that do that, and I find that approach clunky. Like, I actually prefer like what Isle of Birth did, where you can't actually enter until you can. Basically, you can't enter until you can beat it. It prevents the player from wasting their time, basically, from my perspective. I guess you technically aren't wasting your time, though, because you still make progress. But then you have to leave, and then, you know, as someone who likes to clear all but one enemies, you know, that kind of thing, like basically condition a dungeon to be more optimal, you know, it makes it harder. No, I think I'm going to basically make Dorado. This will be the next thing. So basically what that means right now, the next step to develop is make Dorado and the archipelago. Like, I will need to design these, because you'll still be able to go into the archipelago, but you'll probably find level, I guess that'd be level 7, and then you can't do anything. Not until you finish level 6, which will be, so level 6 will be Ice Dungeon, level 7 will be Water Dungeon, level 8 will be whatever this is. Or, better yet, maybe I'll make some barrier that won't allow you to get to this. Because it would also be kind of cool for one of these dungeons to be on the northern side. This is tough. How do I want to handle that? I mean, I guess it's fine. Yeah, this could be a good this could be like a good post Flippers mini dungeon. It doesn't need to be a main dungeon. So then I'd basically have levels 6 and 7 down here, and then maybe level 8 can be up here. This is a good example of me being lazy. There. Oh, not weird to hear. Not used to hearing sounds. Oh, that got messed up. There's gonna be a dungeon here. Anyway. So I guess let's start dealing with this. There, that cut out the sound effects. So, oops. So have I used these anywhere? I believe these were all used here. So the idea is I don't want this to be like this. I don't know, actually. I was going to say I kind of want them to be their own giant bomb triggers. Because, like, the way it's currently configured is if you drop a bomb here, it all goes away. Whereas I could just simply make each of these be triggers in themselves. So you could bomb this. Like, you'd have to bomb this, bomb this, bomb this. Like, every piece would have to be bombed. But then that can leave some weird fragmented stuff that's like that. And that would just look weird. Trying to think of how to like approach this. Also, did I actually make this go anywhere? No, of course I didn't. I mean, honestly, that might be fine. Just have it be like this. But then, of course, these NPCs here need to trigger. So I wonder, do I actually have RE Desert? Yes. I like how I call it Snow Mount. There will be Gorons. They're gonna be in the Fire Mountain. Oh, I also like how this was the screen where I tested out my combo item. It's a triple heart magic refill. Yee. But I believe I can make these FFCs react. I'm actually gonna be honest, I'm kind of tired. I still want to like figure out. Oh, this is so cool. Obviously, it makes it harder to work with. This is really cool. But I'm honestly kind of tired, so... Oh, wow. Oh, this is actually super useful. Because then I could go here and like see what the palettes look like. Interesting. Holy crap. Yeah, there's a lot of mountain here. And there's actually going to be another small overworld to the right here. Right? Yeah, there will be. That's kind of nuts that you can do this. You can still change combos. That's dangerous. Yeah, at least progress is being made. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I don't feel like I'm in like a good headspace for this right now. I'm not like super focused. So, and I don't want to burn myself out. I've been working on this devoted for like the last 2 weeks. Made a ton of progress. Made an entire dungeon and the events there with Ori Village. You get the ocarina. Ocarina's doing weird things. It's not working for some reason. Your face is pure white. Holy crap. But yeah, we have some ideas. And we're in good shape. So thanks for hopping on, Soma. I might play games with friends later, but I don't know. I kind of want to just rest for a little bit here. I'm a little bit tired. So yeah, hopefully the enhanced music situation gets fixed. Hopefully I can figure out what's going on with the ocarina. Yeah, so we'll see where I go from here when I stream next. Hopefully soon. Hopefully I'm just tired and I'm not burnt out. I don't think I'm burnt out, but we'll see. Have a good night, Soma, and everyone else on stream. Talk to y'all later.